Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make eyebrow animation with Duik Bassel 2. Let's get started. So, vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project files. First one, select this background layer, lock, and character, lock layer. Then, select this eyebrow right. Let's select this palm behind and move the anchor point here and this here, click selection tool. Then go to window, open Duik Bassel 2 and go to click region and let's click this circle. Then let's click this icon for create angle controller. Nice. Select this angle and move to left. Select this angle shape layer. Open slider, change size, and open handle. Change size like this. Okay. So select these eyebrows. Let's press R, make rotation keyframes, and let's change rotations like this. Go to 10 keyframe, let's click here and write plus 10, click OK and change rotations like this. Go to again 10 keyframe, let's again write here plus 10, click OK and let's change rotations like this. Okay, let's see. Nice. So select these keyframes and go to Duik and click connector properties. Nice, select this angle and press R. Let's see. Nice. So let's go to here, make rotation keyframe and go to 5 keyframes. Let's change rotation like this. And go to here, make new keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes. Let's change rotation like this. And go to here again, make new keyframe. Go to 5 keyframes. Let's change rotation like this. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.